Hey everyone, is your Facebook Messenger stuck on waiting for network on Android? This problem usually happens because of network issues or server problems. No worries, in this video I'll show you how to fix it easily. Solution 1. Switch your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi. Then open Messenger again. Sometimes the app can't connect on certain networks if the DNS is blocked. Solution 2. Toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn it off. Relaunch Messenger. This refreshes your device's internet connections and can fix minor network glitches. Solution 3. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone settings. Go to Apps or App Management. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage and then Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may cause slow performance. Don't worry, your chats and data will stay safe. Solution 4. Reset network settings on Xiaomi. Open the Settings app. Tap More Connectivity Options. Scroll down. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Now simply tap Wi-Fi or mobile data. It will reset your network. Solution 5. Check for server issues. Visit Down Detector and search for Messenger. If there's a spike in reports, Messenger might be down globally. In that case, wait a few hours and try again. Sometimes the problem is in your phone, it's Facebook servers. And that's it. Your Messenger should now work fine without the waiting for network error. If this video helped you, please like and comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching.